Hey guys, welcome back to Two Guys Kitchen. I'm Rob, and we are doing a egg in a cup. And what we're doing is we're going to do it for 90 seconds. It's 30-second intervals. We're going to mix it up, and we're going to use avocado, some tomato, a couple eggs, and a little bit of cheese, a little crumbly cheese that is. And we're going to do it in the kitchen. So let's go. All right, we're going to start off with our toppings because obviously the eggs are only going to take 90 seconds in the microwave. So we're going to start with the tomatoes and the avocado. What we're going to do is we're going to slice this tomato in a couple little cubes. And right here, right, real easy. I just like to do more checkerboards with my tomatoes. All right, and then right here. Like that, okay, and then we're done with that, and get a little bit of avocado. And what's cool about the avocado is, obviously you always have the pit, but we're only going to be using half. So, but that if you leave the pit in, it's going to keep the avocado more green. So, because obviously avocados turn a little bit brown when you remove that pit. So always keep the pit in there when storing. Alright, so what we're going to do here, the easiest way I do is I use the back end of the knife, slide that skin right off. Okay, work nice and easy. There we go. Get the skins out of here. Take a little chop, chop, chop. There we go. And okay, now we're on to the egg. So what we're going to do with the egg here is we're going to put it in a cup, and this cup is going to only cook for 90 seconds. Makes it real easy, especially if you're running late for work or whatever. Just crack it on the countertop, pop that in there, throw it in our mix bowl. Oh, eggs, I'm used to free-run eggs, free-range eggs. And all right, so now what you do is you take a little fork, mix it up. Get a nice mix on it. I want to get rid of that there. Okay, and we're going to put a little bit of milk. Now you can use, we're using half and half, which is a little thicker, but you can use regular milk, 2%, or even water. Some people like a little bit of water. We're just going to add a little bit in there. It doesn't need a lot. All right, get a little bit more of a mix. All right, and then once it's all mixed up, you want to get a nice turn. All right. Alright, then what we're going to do here is we're going to put it in the microwave. So it's going to go in for 30 seconds. And then after 30 seconds, we're going to bring it out, remix it, put it back in for 30 seconds. We're going to do it 3 times. And that's it. Okay, this is the 3rd time we're pulling it out. Look at it, nice and fluffy eggs. So bring it back over here to the table, and we're gonna put a little bit of salt, as much as or as little as you like. A little pepper. All right, and just mix it up a little bit more. Obviously, get the salt and pepper in there, nice and good. All right. All right, and then what we're going to do is put a little bit of the avocado in there. And avocado, a little bit of tomato. There we go. And there you have, oh, and we got a little bit of cheese. And I like the crumbly cheese. I'm using cheese from the Mexican cheese. Makes it a little crumbly, but you can use sharp cheddar, which also works really good. But there it is in 90 seconds. We are finished with our 90-second egg, and as you can see, it only took 90 seconds in the microwave, 3 times 30-second increments. And you just mix it up, and it's easy as that. So There you go. Have a great morning, and as I enjoy my eggs. Now, don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. It does help us grow our channel. So see you next time.